Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android in a BMW X1, and also some other customer came from New York to install nav and backup camera in a BMW E90.
And I have another one.
As you can see, we are working on it. So you can see the unit, it's Android unit, and also we add iDrive controller to it, so we can go left and right with the iDrive. Backup camera is there. Car came with backup sensors, so they already activated. By going to park, it goes back to normal mode. Right now I show you the video, and on top of that I can change it to iOS6. That I'm gonna do it right now. So our unit we can change to iOS6 or iOS5. That's the iOS5. We can go to Evo iOS6, and the menu will be changed to iOS6 after one time restart the unit. Just let the car go to sleep. Right now it's on iOS6.
You just started a war.
If you're interested to get these type of units, give us a call at 905-604-4294, or they're on our sale on our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.
I can do this all day.